Okay, I'm going to show you how easy it is to move a big log with the Rhino Tool System. But before we do that, I'm going to take a quick measurement so we can see how big it is. So here we are, 169 inches. About 11 inches in diameter. It's just getting it centered when you're going to use it the first time. But it's easier for me right now to just move the Rhino as opposed to rolling the log. But you can see that it's in between the goalposts. Don't be afraid to use your whole body weight either. Now that I have it up on here, I'm going to have to slide it back. We'll see. Catching here on the handlebar connector, so super easy. Take it off. Okay. There we go. Roll. I want it bungee. Hey, hey, hey. Well, my yard has lots of little holes and it's easy to get stuck in them. You gotta go backwards to get going forwards a little. Look at this though, guys.